So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete text on FreeForm. So the first thing you want to do is open up FreeForm. On there you can just open one of the tabs on here, or rather boards. So click on this. You can see some of the boards you've been working on, so you can open it up and you can see a layout that's going to be looking something like this. So this is something I've added to the board, but you can see also some text right here. So if I wish to change or delete that text, there's a few ways you can do that. So first of all, if I click on it, just click on it, you can see at the bottom the color, then maybe the font size, then you can see to duplicate, and you can see a red trash can. Now if you wish to delete the entire text box, so everything that it is in the text, you can do that through the red trash can. If you wish to just delete parts of the text, you can click or double tap it, and then you can use it to just something like this. So from here you can add stuff, you can also delete stuff simply by using the same method you would when deleting text messages or emails that you're typing in. And once you're finished with what you've done, you can just add it right here. So that's going to be the second way that you can delete text. But as I said, if it's something a bit bigger, you can just go ahead and click on the text box, and then after that click on the red trash can in order to remove it, and you can see right now it's totally removed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.